Good morning. This video is to show you how to do a target word format. This goes with the novels that you're going to be reading. Everybody should have one of these in their packet. So be sure that you pause the tape and get this out so that you can look at it. And maybe get a piece of scrap paper so that you can practice along with me. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is called word map format. A target word or a vocabulary word goes in the center box. And then up to the right, you write an antonym. Remember, antonyms are opposites. To the left, you write a synonym. That's a word that means the same or similar. Sometimes you can't find one word. You have to use two words or a short phrase. That's okay. Down on the left, you're going to write your own definition. And down on the right, bottom right, you use the word in a sentence. And that's how you do a target word. Fifth graders, your target words will be chosen for you. Sixth graders, you choose your own target words. Okay, so here we go. Target word, the word goes in the middle. Now, sixth graders, when you're choosing your own word, be sure that you choose a word that will have synonyms and antonyms. Not all words have them. So be careful when you choose. For their target word practice, we will use the word happy. Okay, so then I think of a synonym for happy, and that goes in the left, the top left. So I'll choose the word glad. So then I write glad here, and I draw my box around it. You can draw your boxes ahead of time, but sometimes you don't have enough room, you draw your box too small. I usually try to write my words first and then draw a box around it. So then I'm going to give an antonym of happy, and I'm going to write sad and draw my box around it. And then on the bottom left, you give your own definition for the word. So now if you guys were here, I'd be asking you, of course, for your definitions, and it'd be so nice if you were all here. I miss you guys. Okay, but I'm going to have to come up with a definition for happy, and I will say an emotion of joy. By the way, joy would have been another good synonym for happy. Okay, so an emotion of joy. Now I'll use happy in a sentence. I'll be happy when we're back in school. And I will draw my box around that. See, that's a good reason why you should draw your box afterwards. And that's how you do a target word. The target word goes in the middle. Synonym, antonym, your own definition, and a sentence using the word. Now, of course, you can and probably will need to use a dictionary to do this, and that is perfectly fine. Dictionary.com, there are synonyms and antonyms that you can find also, and then you can always get your parents' help, or you can email me and ask for help, and I'll be happy to help you. So this is a target word, and in the middle of your folders, there'll be some lined paper, and you do one. I'm going to use Livia's reading notebook here. I'm going to tear paper out, Livia. And you can do one on the front and one on the back. You can do one on the top and one on the bottom. I don't care how much you do, as long as you don't do more than two on one side. So fifth graders, you'll be reading one chapter per day, and then you're just going to do one target word. You can do it at the top, or you can take the whole paper. I'm going to give you enough paper so that it doesn't matter how much you take up. That's how you do your target words. Sixth graders, out of your vocabulary words, you're going to choose two. Again, just be sure that they can have synonyms and antonyms. Not all words do. Like people's names, names of places, they don't have synonyms and antonyms. Adjectives work really well. Okay, so that's how you do a target word. And you can use the front and the back. If you like to only write on the front, you can do just the front. You can do two, or you can just do one in the middle. That is up to you. Just don't try to squeeze them all on one page. Don't try to squeeze more than two on one page. It gets really difficult to read, and it looks messy. All right, I would love to take your questions, but you're not here. But if you do have questions, be sure to email me or have your parents text me and I can get back to you quickly. In the next video will be how to do a character web, which you won't need until you have finished reading the stories. All right, so we'll talk to you later. This video is going to be titled Target Word, and I believe that I am finished. Talk to you later. Bye.